What is it, Ellie? Harper's interest has faded.
Funny, now my friends there's Ellie, and then one of my really good friends, they have a little terrier mix named Ellie.
Oh.
Kind of funny, because I was like, what should we name this one when we first got her? And he's like, Ellie's a good name. And I'm like, kind of stuck. And then there's Lily. So so much eating.
Mm-hmm.
They have a black lab named Moose. He is just like the goofiest dog in the world.
Oh, that would be fun.
He thinks he's
Moose.
a lap dog.
I said the next dog I wanted to name her Miss Pickles.
Miss Pickles. You want to name a dog Miss Pickles?
Yeah, but Dad doesn't like that.
God.
We're not naming a dog Pickles. Why not? Everybody likes Pickles. It's a funny sounding name.